Good morning. So, today is Sunday, March 30th. I think I'm feeling like, a little bit better. I do need to reset and, go to the grocery store, get a couple items to last us for spring break. I also want to go and get some medicine. I ran out of Dayquil, but I think that really would help me. And of course, yesterday I just was not in the mood to put my stuff away, so I kind of did what I could. But this morning I'm gonna get ready to head off to Kroger to go pick up some items. I was gonna do a pickup order. I wasn't successful with getting the rest of that order put in. So here I am. Let's get ready to go. It's like paradise now. I know it's real. Ups and downs, times when there was no one around. There is no pain. Jesus. Why do we sing? Why do we sing? When we lift the hands to Jesus. When we lift our hands to Jesus. Never could have made it without you. Right away. I need you now. Alright, y'all, just got done with Kroger. I'm gonna head over to Raising Cane's to get some lunch. Isn't that granite? No, it's not. Okay.
Do we need to ketchup in this bag?
That'd be fine.
All right. Yeah. It's gonna be 58.
Alright, y'all, just dropped my grandmother off, got Raising Cane's, and now I'm heading home to share with you guys my haul. Now let me just say that my haul consisted of really needing to just go get a couple items, which turned into a huge one because I just wanted to get some groceries to last me for spring break and then basically into next week so that I didn't have to worry about going back to the grocery store on Sunday. All right, so now that I'm home, I'm gonna show you guys the cold stuff first because I wanna go eat. I got the Teddy Grahams Sargento 2-pack. These are the little fun balance breaks that come with Kobe Jack cheese, mixed fruit snacks, and then Teddy Graham crackers. So I bought 2 of those because it was 2 for $7 and you got a certain amount off. I got the Light and Fit Greek yogurt 4-pack. Got a little Toy Story lunch kit that has sweet apple slices, turkey sausage, bites, cheese, and crackers for $1.95. And then on manager special, I got the $3.15 chicken salad. So I don't know, we'll have to try that. And then I got the 8 count of the Jello chocolate and vanilla swirl pudding packs. These are some sweet apple slices for $1.76. They're individually wrapped, but they make great for snacks this week along with lunch. I got 2 of the California roll sushi, so I like to get her those so she can have anytime she would like. Garlic Texas toast, 2 of the Lunchly Mr. Beast Lunchables that come with a chocolate bar, stuff to make pizza with pepperoni, and then the Mr. Beast mini drink. Got the combo pack with the Kobe Jack and turkey sticks, 3 of the burritos. This one has egg, applewood smoked bacon, and cheese. We got some seasoned crispy fries that look like that. Also got bacon, $2.99 if you use the coupon, and then the 6-pack of the White Castle classic cheese sliders. I also got a pack of the beef hot dogs, a roll of crescent dinner rolls, as well as 1 bag of broccoli cuts, mini corn dog nuggets, the premium Dole ultimate Caesar salad. I only like this one because it comes with the spices, but if you guys want to try to do it yourself, there is another way to do it. I do remember trying it myself as far as the spices that come in this one. And then I got the classic crust, which I saved 75 cents on, and then just some French vanilla coffee creamer and some whipped original cream cheese spread. All right, I got 2 of these big rolls. These are ground beef, and these originally go for about $12 to $13. But I got it for $5.77, just as long as you use or freeze it by 4, 1, 20, 25. So I will break these up into a couple different bags to use for like sloppy joe, hamburger, spaghetti, whatever. So like I said, I got 2 of those literally for all of like $11. So I basically paid the price for just one. These go bad tomorrow, so I'm gonna freeze these. These are cheddar bratwurst. These were $1.75. And then we have some finely diced beef carne de res. This is apparently just great for tacos. So it's beef taco meat. Originally $8.09, got it for $5.26. Got some Angus beef patties. These are bacon cheddar. So I got these for $5.32. I'm not sure the original price. And then these were $2.99 this week as well. So I got the Johnsonville New Orleans style Anadole sausage. And then the batter with cheddar Johnsonville ones. I got these for $8.08. These are chicken tenderloins. And then I picked up a big pack of the chicken drumsticks for $6.66 to try something in the crock pot with, and just some original Jimmy Dean regular pork sausage to patty up. Alright, so I got a fresh thing of 2% milk, large eggs, some mandarins for $6, and green and red grapes for $5. Alright, so for non-cold item, I got some cold and flu daytime, some cold and flu nighttime, some children's cold and cough medicine, some Dawn dish soap, the Bear Bells chocolate dough, and birthday cake protein bars. Alright, so I got some colorful snack zipper bags, so this is 80 bags. We got Olippops. I bought 4 because they were 3 for a certain, I can't even remember, y'all. Crisp apple, classic grape, watermelon lime, and Dr. Goodwin. I have tried these 3 before, so I haven't tried this one, but this one is one of my favorites, and so it's the apple. We got Cajun seasoning. I have steak seasoning, and then I have onion powder and garlic powder, as I know that we use that more. So they were 4 for $5. Chips this week were $1.99, so I got the Lay's Classic, Barbecue, Lay's, Doritos, Nacho Cheese, and Cool Ranch. Like I said, all $1.99. And then I got some bagels to have for breakfast. Chips Ahoy was $1.99 this week. Chewy Dips, chocolate chip, they're covered in chocolate. And then we got toaster treats. I got the strawberry pack of 12 Pop-Tarts. Then I got the variety pack of fruit cups. This has mandarin oranges and cherry mixed fruit. I got some cough drops just to refill. So we got the menthol ones, and then we got the herb ones by Ricola. I also got a Alani Strawberry Sunrise. I'll have to see if I like that or not. 2 Vienna sausage cups, sloppy joe mix, mac and cheese Chef Boyardee, corn, peas, lemon juice, Spam. Got some Kinder's barbecue roasted garlic. That one is honestly the best if I had to judge all of them. Yellow mustard, the white chocolate Tirani sauce. This was a good sale this week. It was only like $3.99 versus paying $7 for it, which is its original price. Got some petite diced tomatoes, and then just a family size cream of chicken noodle soup, and I got the wrong thing, but that's okay. I meant to grab the cream of chicken soup, but that's, like I said, it's okay. These are $1.99 each, as long as you bought, I think, you know, more than whatever. So I got Lilo and Stitch, we got Fruit Gushers, and we got Fruit by the Foot. So there's 3 different ones in there. The Olive Garden Italian dressing, $3.99, better than paying what it originally is. And then this was $6.99, Ice Roast Nescafe, all just gravy mix, 2 mashed potatoes. So I got sour cream and chives, and then roasted garlic, and then just a box of instant butter grits over here. So I bought some chicken taco spices, regular taco seasoning, and some Pringles, Hawaiian savory butter rolls, just some cookies for $3.99 from Kroger, and then the birthday cake, vanilla flavored, and I also have that, but thin sized pot spaghetti. Got some bold nacho cheese shells. We got grape tomatoes, and then manager special $1.29, vegetable and ranch dip. We got celery, carrots, and broccoli. 2 bags of the O-Snap for $1 each. I did buy that, and then just a green pepper, strawberries for $2.99, 6-pack of cinnamon applesauce, 2 things of ketchup, and then a tree colored peppers, some flour tortillas, and then I also got the 30-pack of Capri Suns in fruit punch, strawberry, kiwi, and Pacific Cooler. I did get hamburger buns as well as hot dog buns, 2 of the classic white enriched bread, and then I did the buy one get one free English muffins. So that's it for this haul.
Those of you who don't know, we've been doing YouTube for over 10 years, and it's actually been that long since we've been here, but we have been here a few times. It was
Yeah, I have not done much. Alright, y'all, look. Charles got this out of the I Love, whatever, it's sugar place. Krabby Patty Secret Menu Challenge. Which flavor am I? Mustard, pickle, bacon, seaweed, green apple, cherry, original grape, popcorn, and blue raspberry. So they come like this. He said his was nasty. I'm gonna see which one I got. I just literally, they're all the same. Just picking a random one. Alright, let's see. I think I got blue raspberry. Yeah, I think mine was blue raspberry.